PhraseExpress keeps a history of all changes in a phrase. To review the changes, select the desired phrase and select Restore Earlier Version. You get an extra window and you see a list of changes in green and comments other team members can make for a particular phrase. So you can discuss contents, for instance, if there's a legal text which needs to be revised. You can now browse through the version history by clicking a former version, and you can immediately see the change in the actual phrase contents. Those are grayed out because you can't edit them, you just can select them, and if you're happy with the version, you click Restore Selected Version, and after confirmation, the selected former version will be restored, and from now on it will be the current version. Of course, you can undo that or choose another version by going through the list again. The creator of a phrase can change the text here. Other team members can add comments. As a discussion may go on for a while, you can search for comments here. To cancel the search, click the red X. To close the dialog, either restore a selected version or press cancel.